I just woke up a few minutes ago and I'm heading for a morning shower, freshen up a little bit. And after that there will be a short breakfast and then my ride to the airports are coming. So today I'm flying to Thailand. Finally, I've been waiting for 7 months since I booked the tickets. And today is the day. So next, Thailand. I must say that these 7 months that gone by since I booked the ticket to Thailand sometimes felt like an eternity. Sorry for the words. And sometimes I hesitated and believed that these 7 months would never go away. But today it's finally happening, and today it feels like, wow, that was fast. So from feeling it that it's going slow until it's went pretty fast anyway. It's a nice feeling. Morning shower done. I'm just about to finish my breakfast. And after this, my ride comes and pick me up in about 30 minutes. And off to the airport. I'm going to fly to Helsinki first, ride on about 2 hours, change plane and go straight from Helsinki to Thailand. And that ride will take about 11 hours or so. So after that, I'm landing in Thailand, finally. I plan to try to do a couple of live streams in Thailand. And yeah, let me know in a comment what you would like to see in the live stream. And I will do my very best to make sure that happens, but I can't guarantee anything. But please subscribe to my channel and watch out for those live streams direct from Thailand. I just got a text saying my ride is on its way. So just in a few minutes I will be picked up here outside my house and heading for the airport. So airport next, and then Thailand. The adventure can begin. I have passed the security check and dropped my bag, so now I'm at the airport and just waiting for the takeoff.
Vad kul. Till Tokyo eller? Ja, vad härligt. Det är jättefint. Min bror ska dit snart. Ja. Du, jag tänkte egentligen bara fråga. Jag kom upp här nu. Jag får ju sån här mejl från Hej Nabo. Exempel om det här.
30 minutes to take off for Helsinki. And in Helsinki we're going to change plane to a bigger one that takes us all the way to Thailand. So 30 minutes to take off.
Hej.
Hei, mikä paikka teillä on?
53 AB.
Den här vägen. Ja.
59 AB.
59 AB i alla fall. Ja.
Stort blad. 59. Här ska vi sitta. I have landed in Thailand. I'm through the custom. I got my bags and I'm outside the airport. And I'm ready to see what Thailand has for me. If you want to follow my adventures, please subscribe and come back again. See you next time.